time next what promise is we have Gintong, Biyaya by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Milady's Magic is Strong Boy. He's done on the inside third. Then next on line is Out of Time. Be My Lover comes next. Power Over is Spellbinder. While Promise is still racing in last. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have two runners fighting around for the lead. We have Gintong, Biyaya by about half length, and in second is Strong Boy, 6 lengths further back. In third comes Out of Time. Be My Lover comes next. Milady's Magic, Power Over, Spellbinder, and a long way back to Promise, who's still racing in last. And as they swing for home, we have Gintong, Biyaya, this time by about 3 lengths. Strong Boy in second on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. We have Gintong, Biyaya, followed by Strong Boy in second. And finally, it's Gintong, Biyaya, Strong Boy. Close, couple enter number 6, Power Over, and Be My Lover.
Ang datingan. Bali lalabas, 3167.